Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the car where you can access it, move it into open space, and secure it from NPC traffic. Once done, make sure the vehicle is recognized by the game by parking it near your own garage or inside its radius. You'll want cash for any storage or insurance prompts, so check your wallet now. This prevents lost progress and ensures the game accepts the change. It's the simplest step, but critical to the rest of the process. You open the interaction menu and navigate to Vehicle, then select Set as Personal Vehicle. This tells the server to bind that car to you. Once selected, confirm the overwrite if you already have a personal vehicle. This replaces the previous one. Make sure you're not in a mission, CEO job, or near an impound that blocks saves, because those states will fail silently. If you want permanent ownership, visit Los Santos Customs. You finalize by leaving the area, saving progress, or switching sessions to confirm the vehicle change persisted. If the car disappears, immediately check Moore's Mutual Insurance to file a claim, or visit the impound to retrieve it for a fee. If the game shows different ownership due to server desync, clear your cache, rejoin a new session, and repeat the set as personal vehicle step. This usually resolves sync issues and makes the change permanent for online play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.